Se você não parar, eu vou chamar o Bolsonaro.
My Cheetos! What are you doing? Speed, bitch! I'll show you some real speed.
Спасибо.
What are you doing?
Oh, let's fucking go! Let's fucking go! Meow.
It's on the edge. Hit it.
No.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Oh my god, she's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She is not fat.
Stop. I'm literally just trying to.
Don't do that.
William, get ready.
Ağzını acıdı değil mi salak? Ağzını acıdı.
Tiki 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 yeti.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Are you done being rude? Oh, apparently not.
Pull the lever, Gronk. Hey. Okay.
Roundabout cowboy. Hey, no.
How can I be homophobic? My bitch is gay.
Oh no.
This is Leo.
I'll give you my address.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth. You can't get up. Night night.
Safada.
Get. What?
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Go over everything for the wedding and I'll give you a piece.
Misty.
Yeah.
Do something, cat.
Daddy's tail.
Go over everything for the wedding and MF.
Hello? Phoenix?
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
To make it. Oh shit.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Oh my god!
Luna, stop.
Normalize you not touching my charger!
My boy.
Why do cats make it the biggest deal in the world to, like, show their toes? Show me your toe.
I'm a cat lover, I'm sorry.
Не надо.
Oh, we got one.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
I just think she's scared of being abandoned.
That's how you